Welcome to Procodingskills, and today we'll be seeing about a new topic: how to access your data based on your custom properties. I hope in the earlier session you have understood how to access your data values or property values from your HTML to the JavaScript based on the custom action function. Right? Now we'll try to understand more than the class name. Can I able to use any other custom property to get a value from the inputs and I can able to read or assign in the JavaScript properties. Okay. When I say a custom property is nothing but defining your own data elements within your components. Let's say, what is my data elements? If you remember in our Aura components and HTML5, we always do data hyphen id equal to, and I can say whatever I wanted, like custom. Let's say I can define whatever I wanted. Here, let me define as a id for a basic understanding. I'll say that lightning or skill input. Skill input. I recommend whenever you are defining IDs, please always try to follow the small case. If needed, you can use a separator. It's well and good. But do not use case sensitive like small or a camel case or anything. So try to encode with your small case, lower case. So what we can do here, let's jump into the JavaScript. We'll define a new method here. Handle property query. I am defining my method name as handle property query. Handle property query. Inside this, what I am doing, let me assign the value to the property output property. This dot, because I am referencing a global property, this dot property name, and let's say template, this dot template dot query selector. And you can see in the earlier video we discussed about a class name followed by a dot. But in this case we are trying to read a property based on the custom properties. What we can do, copy your element's name. Here my case is lightning element. Lightning input is my selector. And what is the property? That property should go inside your square brackets. What is my property here? Data hyphen id. So this is my property selector. You don't need a quotes anymore. And you can read a value. And you can read a value. You can see what we have done. This dot template dot lightning selector. Right? This dot template query selector lightning input data hyphen id. Skill input is our input tag within the square braces. So which allows to get a value, or even if you want to read a value, or if you want to write a text, and whatever you can see, you can get that label and everything you'll get. So in output, let's update it, say, and let's copy this handler property query. Go to your demo component. Let me define one more lightning button. Lightning hyphen button on click. Curly braces, your function name, label equal to get based on custom property or custom attribute. So you can see I defined my button and everything is looking good. Let's deploy this class, or component. Let's jump to the Salesforce. Let's refresh your page. Now here I have a Salesforce. Let's say get based on custom attribute. You can get the data type based on attributes. Here you can see when I change value, I can able to get a data based on attributes. Clear? Hope this video you like it, and please stay tuned and all the best to your course in procodingskills.com under challenges. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, YouTube Procoding Skills.